Hi guys, André Tétrault, Director of Test and Diagnostics here at Vibrosystem. The subject for this week is baselining a hydro generator. When we install monitoring systems on generators, we always strongly recommend that the system be used to record the commissioning or the return to service stage of the process. Events such as startups where the effects of increasing centrifugal forces are observed, field flashes where the sudden appearance of very strong magnetic forces coming from the rotor are observed, or synchronization to the grid where the effects of the sudden appearance of strong magnetic forces coming from the stator are observed. We then record the unit operating at various loads, operating in the rough zone, operating in the synchronous condenser mode. These can all provide very interesting information. Finally, we recommend recording a controlled overspeed, or better yet, a load rejection test, because these can reveal very important information to allow you to assess the overall health of the unit. All these results can be used as reference in the future to allow you to detect any deterioration or any evolution of any parameter or any phenomena. Most important parameters to monitor are temperature, shaft vibration, rotor stator dynamics, and quite a few others that can be very helpful to help you assess the health of the unit. That's all for this week. Thank you for listening in, and please comment if you have any questions.